Erokamano nyakwara Ramogi kuom medo keto Ramogi TV. Wadhi nyime tugo mar Shabiki.com ochiwo tangi mag pi maromo lita 451 ne skunde kod kanise mopogore opogore pacho kaka achiel kuom chenro mare mar duoko ne oganda. E kinde ma pod koth pod medo chue, Shabiki.com komakore kod kambi mar Poatang okang' mar konyo e kano pi kaka achiel kuom bedo gi ikruok ne kinde mag oro. Tengni maromo 80 ne ochiw ayanga kod director mar Shabiki Fred Afune, jatije mar Poatang Raju Patel kod jakom mar BCLB Jen Kamau e kar dak ma Mlolongo, kendo biro konyo skunde mayudore counties 10 kod 7 e pacho ka.
Madam Chair and the CEO.
By contributing water tanks to schools in need. Clean and safe drinking water is a fundamental right that every child should have access to, and we believe that it is crucial for us to support communities that we do business in. We are not only ensuring that students have access to clean drinking water, but also encouraging a healthier and more productive learning environment.
It is good for us to look at the positive side of these rains, and the partnership, and this partnership epitomizes it. And the water harvested here will go a long way to supporting children in the beneficiary schools.
Shabiki.com has continuously showed a commitment to positively impacting the areas in which they operate, specifically in the Kenya jurisdiction. And today we gather to recognize and celebrate their most recent corporate social responsibility initiative,